Turn your creativity into cash. Imagine this. You create a fun, engaging Instagram reel or a viral TikTok post and get paid for it. Social media content creation is no longer just a hobby. It's a lucrative career path that allows you to earn from your creativity. If you love crafting content that gets likes, shares, and comments, stick around. I'll show you how to turn your social media skills into a profitable freelancing career. By the end of this video, you'll know where to start, how to find clients, and ways to stand out in the competitive world of content creation. Social media content creation involves designing, writing, and producing engaging posts, videos, and stories for businesses or individuals. This can include videos, short reels, tutorials, or brand promotions. Graphics, eye-catching designs for posts and stories. Captions, writing compelling and on-brand text to accompany posts. Campaign planning, creating cohesive strategies for social media marketing. It's all about capturing attention and driving engagement, whether that's likes, comments, shares, or clicks. Why social media content creation is in demand? Social media is where brands connect with their audience, sell products, and build trust. Here's why businesses need content creators. Visibility. High-quality content helps brands stand out in a crowded digital space. Sales. Engaging posts can directly lead to purchases. Consistency. Businesses struggle to post regularly without help. Every business, from startups to established brands, knows the value of an active professional social media presence. That's where you come in. To become a successful social media content creator, focus on these skills. 1. Creativity. Think outside the box to make unique, shareable content. 2. Copywriting. Write captions and posts that grab attention. 3. Design basics. Learn tools like Canva or Photoshop to create visuals. 4. Video editing. Edit short-form videos using apps like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Rush. 5. Analytics understanding. Know how to track engagement and improve strategies. These skills can be learned and improved with time, so don't worry if you're a beginner. Tools you'll need for content creation. You don't need expensive equipment to get started. Here's what you'll need. A smartphone. Most modern smartphones have excellent cameras for shooting content. Editing software. Tools like Canva for graphics and CapCut for video editing. Scheduling tools. Apps like Hootsuite or Buffer to plan posts. A ring light or tripod to improve lighting and video stability. And creative apps. Platforms like Pinterest or Instagram for inspiration. Start simple, and as you grow, you can invest in advanced tools. How to start as a social media content creator. Here's a step-by-step guide to kick off your career. Create a portfolio. Use your own social media accounts to showcase your skills. Post creative content regularly. Identify your niche. Focus on industries you're passionate about, like fashion, fitness, tech, or food. Learn and experiment. Stay updated with trends and algorithms for each platform. Engage with communities. Comment, share, and connect with other creators and potential clients. Start freelancing. Offer your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Types of social media content you can offer. You can specialize in one or more types of social media content. Reels and stories. Short, engaging video snippets. Infographics. Visually appealing, information-packed posts. Ad campaigns. Sponsored posts designed to drive sales. Educational content. Tutorials or how-tos in your niche. Engagement content. Polls, quizzes, or challenges to interact with followers. Experiment with various formats to find your strengths. To land your first few clients, try these methods. Freelancing platforms. Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are great for beginners. Social media groups. Join Facebook or LinkedIn groups where businesses post opportunities. Networking. Connect with small business owners and entrepreneurs on Instagram or LinkedIn. Cold pitching. Directly message businesses with a brief portfolio and offer your services. Referrals. Ask satisfied clients to recommend you to others. These strategies can help you build a solid client base and kickstart your freelancing career. Earnings as a social media content creator depend on your experience and the type of work you do. Single posts or graphics. $50 to $200 per post. Monthly content packages. $500 to $1,500 or more for regular posting and strategy. Ad campaigns. $300 to $1,000 or more per campaign. With consistency and quality work, your rates can increase significantly over time. To build a successful freelancing career, follow these tips. 1. Stay updated. Trends change quickly, so keep learning. 2. Be reliable. Deliver quality work on time. 3. Engage with clients. Build strong relationships for repeat business. 4. Offer unique ideas. Suggest creative campaigns tailored to the client's brand. 5. Track results. Use analytics to show clients the impact of your work. Clients love creators who deliver measurable results. Challenge. Struggling with ideas. Solution. Research trends and take inspiration from top creators. Challenge. Low engagement on posts. Solution. Test different formats and post at optimal times. Challenge. Difficult clients. Solution. Set clear expectations and maintain professional communication. Social media content creation is more than just fun. It's a way to turn your creativity into a thriving career. With a mix of skills, tools, and persistence, you can help businesses grow and get paid doing what you love. If you're curious about more ways to earn money online, click on the video link on the screen to explore exciting freelancing opportunities. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Your creativity is the key to success. Let's celebrate your achievements and look forward to more successful campaigns together.